Today we're going to talk about Illusto, a very powerful online video editor that you can use right now, and it's completely free. But before we jump in, make sure you like, share and subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon. To use this tool, you do have to sign in with your Google account. So just click on try for free and sign up with your Google account. I've already done that, so let's just sign in. This tool has a very simple interface and it has a lot of features. To get started, click on create project. Give it a project name and then select the aspect ratio. So we will just use 16:9 and then click on create. Alright, so this is our editor view and you'll have to do all the edits through here. In order to upload the file, just click here or drag and drop the file here. Once you have opened the file, you need to select it and drag it to the timeline. You can play and pause your video from here, and if you want to delete this, just select and click here to delete. If you go to the left, there are a bunch of different features. The first one is stock images. So all these images are completely free and you can use it in your work. If you are looking for something particular, just click here, enter the text and you can search it. All the images are completely free and it's free from copyright. From here you can select if you want your images to be in landscape, in portrait or to be in square. The next feature is stock videos. This is very useful because we as a content creator, we need a lot of stock footages. So anything you want, just select it and use it in your own work. So it's the same as well. Here you can search for any royalty free videos. So any particular video you're looking for, just type it here and you can search it. Next feature is stock audio. So as the name suggests, you can select the soundtrack for your videos. Just search anything you want and all the audio files are completely free. Up next, we have texts. Putting text in your video is very important, and here there are a lot of templates that you can choose from. Suppose if I like this, so let's click here and add it to the track. Alright, so here you can see the text is added to the timeline. So let's click on play. There you go, there is a text. Right, so if you need to change the text, just double click on it and then you can write your channel's name here. Alright, you can even change the font of the text. You can change the style, let's make it bold. Change the color, you can rotate, you can scale and you can put shadows as well. Alright, so let's click on play. There you go. Alright, so use this tool is very useful. The next one we have is stickers. So this feature is really cool because you can add all of these animation and stickers to your videos and it really helps in engaging your audience. So suppose I like this, so click here and add it to your track. Alright, so there you can see our sticker is added. So let's click on play. Alright, there you go. So it's overlapping a bit, so just click and drag it. Alright, so let's click on play again. There you go. That's very cool. Alright, so if you want to change the position of it, just click here and then you can change the position. You can make it smaller or bigger. So whatever you need, you can do it here. So let's say I can put it here maybe. Alright, so let's click on play. There you go. So make sure you use the stickers. It will really help your video. And click here and you can get a lot of other stickers as well. Alright, so the next one is transitions. It really helps in smooth transition between different clips. Right, let's say I want a transition here. Just click and drag it. Alright, and then click on play. Alright, let's do some more transitions. Let's say if I want to cut it here, select the track and then click on this. So it will cut the clip in two. Let's do it again. Select the track and cut. So let's use some other transitions. Maybe I'll use this here and this here. Alright, so let's play and check it out. Alright, so you can see using transitions will really help your video. Alright, so the next one is filters. This feature will add cool filters to your videos. For example, if I like this, just click and drag it. and it has become negative film, right? So let's check out some other filters, and to delete it, just click on it and click on delete. There are a lot of different filters you can choose, so just go through it and just select whatever you need. The next feature is effects. I would say this is one of the most important and cool feature in this tool. Alright, so it creates different effects in your videos. So there are a lot of different options to choose from. So if I like this, just click on it. Alright, so as you can see, it has added an effect. Not really a good one, so you have to select according to your video. Alright, so let's click and delete it. There are other options like comics. Alright, so this is really cool. There's retro, there's nature, dynamic, lights and shadows, atmosphere. Alright, so you can all these cool effects. Let's check watercolor. Alright, you can see the difference a little bit. Broken glass, maybe here. Alright, that's a broken glass. Alright, let's check out some other effects. Let's click on nature and click this maybe. Alright, that's really cool. Let's check out lightning. Let's just put this as well. And maybe this. Alright, so let's check it out. Okay, that's your effect, the smoke effect. Alright, there's your lightning. And there you go, we have snow as well. And yeah, there's some more smoke effects. Alright, so that's very neat. So make sure you use the effects in your videos and make it look cool. The next one we have masks. So if you want to mask something in your video, you can do that. Let's click and drag it here. If you want to mark this part of the screen, you can just click and drag and it will mask it. Alright, so it's a really cool way to censor anything if you want in your video. Let's try this. Alright, see, it has added a different layer of mask. Okay, so if you want to blur something, you can do that too. Right, so it's a very cool way to censor something in your video. Okay, moving on to the next one, there is a color correction. So this is actually a very cool feature because a lot of our videos, the colors might not be correct. So you just have to use this and make it look awesome. Just click and add it to your track and then double click on it. Right, so from here you can change the temperature, the tint, saturation, brightness, contrast. Right, see how it's changing. You can increase the brightness, saturation, the tint you can change. You can go down, there are a lot of different options. There's shadow, there's highlight. Right, so if you're done with the settings, just close it and the new effect will take place. Alright, so if you want to make something longer or shorter, just click here and click on the edge and drag it. The effect or the text or anything, it will get longer. Alright, so suppose I want this. Here, click and drag. This one, I need to extend it. You can do it like this. So click here. See the lightning and you can see the broken glass as well. Alright, so this is a very cool feature. This editing tool is super cool, and once you're done, just click on export video. Alright, so here is the best part. This is a complete free tool and it supports up to 4K of resolution. How cool is that? So you can select up to 4K, you can change the FPS up to 60 FPS, and the most important thing is that when you export it, there won't be any watermark. This tool is 100% free and is free from watermark. So that was it for today. Alright, so that was Illusto, your free video editing tool. If you found this video informative, make sure you like, share and subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys in the next video.